Good day, everybody. We're going to the Sirindhorn Skywalk today. We're on the main highway going in towards the Skywalk now. You have to be careful here because it's really hard to see the turn.
Did I ask for permission?
Big parking lot.
Take the next left.
Yeah, gonna go to Skywalk.
This must be the dam.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Yeah, gonna go to Skywalk and the floating, the same as tomorrow.
Good day, everybody. We're back at the Skywalk this morning. We're gonna fly the drone today. We got permission last night, so just to be on the safe side, we didn't do it yesterday. So we're going to this morning. We're here before all the people are set up with food. They don't open until 8:30. Surprising to me. I guess there's no real reason to be here real early. So we cannot go inside. We can walk down there and go like we did yesterday. Yeah.
I can go to next room.
Okay. No. Going out on the Skywalk is closed, but I have video from that yesterday. Problem with my video yesterday, the microphone misconnected. I didn't push the little pin down far enough. So it got a lot of wind noise. Pretty ugly. We're going to find out if it's possible to fly the drone here, because the hydro floating solar farm is really close to us here. You may be able to see it once we get out on the Skywalk. Hydro floating solar hybrid power plant. So apparently we're going to be able to see it. I don't know that. We're very close to the dam too.
อย่าลืมนะครับดูแลกระเป๋าตังค์นะฮะนาฬิกานะครับแหวนเพชรนะครับสร้อยคอทองคำ5 บาท
Cool walkways here too. If you want to take a walk all the way down to the bottom. Hope it's tested for 110 kilo. So I believe we're looking at the solar farm over there in the distance. So this Skywalk is not glass. It's expanded metal. Here's all the various fish. That are in the lake here.
ไป
Take your shoes off. So they do have some glass. I'll take my shoes off and check it out. Oh, it's hot.
พี่ต้องห้ามแบบเนี้ย
Yeah, she's still going on with shoes. They both are. It's too damn hot to go on there. About fried my feet. I walked on there a little ways. So they don't provide booties here. They do have 3 places you can walk out on glass. It says don't go with your shoes on, and it is very hot. And it's not like you're not very high off the ground anyhow. It's not a, so you saw me quickly retreat, but again, it's not very high up.
They just you can see solar panel, huh? Just here is good enough.
Yeah, you can see the solar farm over there. I really want to try to. We came down below so we could get a look. As you can see, they're not real high, the Skywalk. It only has 3 sections that have glass, and they're not very far up. We just wanted to walk down and see. They call this the beach walk.
เขื่อนสิรินธรนะคะเป็นที่มีโซล่าร์แผงที่
We talked to a member of the staff here about flying the drone, and he didn't know. He said you have to go into the headquarters and ask permission. So on our way out, we're going to ask, and if we can, we'll come back in the morning and do that. We saw a boat cruising here yesterday, and I thought it'd be pretty cool. So we asked about what it costs to go on it, and it's electric company employees only, so we couldn't go. So there's the world's largest hydro floating solar farm right out there. We were staying in the place right across the bay there last night. So we hope you enjoyed this content. We travel here so you don't have to, if you can't.
You can watch our video.
Yeah, please watch our videos, and if you like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
We're out.